Quiz 1D and but or also. Fill in the blanks with the words in the box. And, but, or, also. Example, Mary plays tennis and basketball well. Is your cat black or white? 你嘅貓黑還是白呢？ Black or white? Number 2. The baby was tired. He was hungry. BB 好倦，佢亦都好餓，亦都，所以呢度應該係 also。我哋用 also 咧，通常係將兩句句子連埋嘅。你見到呢度已經有個 full stop 㗎啦。also 呢度係另一句嗱，重複兩句句子，咁我哋咧好多時都用 also 嘅。Number 3, dogs can run, but they cannot fly. 佢哋可以跑，但係唔可以飛。Number 4, she was smart and pretty. 又醒目又靚，我哋用 and。Number 5, Peter wants to have cake. He also wants some juice. Peter 想要蛋糕，佢亦都要咧一啲果汁。另外，亦都請留意啦，你見到呢度又係 full stop 啦，同上面一樣啦。咁咧 full stop 之後另一句咁我哋好多時都用 also 嘅。Number 6, do you prefer taking the bus or minibus? 好啦，你見到呢個咧係一個 choice 一個選擇嘅，你搭巴士啊定係小巴啊 ？So it is a choice 係一個選擇，我哋用 or。Number 7, Mandy was at the party and Jeff was also there. 阿 Mandy 喺個 party 度，阿 Jeff 亦都喺嗰度，所以我哋用 also。Number 8, he pushed hard, but he could not open the door. 佢好大力㗎啦，但係仲開唔到棟門，咁所以我哋用 but。Number 9, he opened the book and started to read. 佢打開書就開始睇啦，咁順理成章用 and 啦。Number 10, would you like some tea or coffee? 你想要茶定咖啡啊？ So again, it is a choice. 好啦，兩擇其一，所以我都係用我㗎。茶或者咖啡 tea or coffee. Mary is writing an entry for her web blog. Help her to complete the entry with an, but, or and also. Hello readers, I had many interclass basketball competitions today, so I was very excited. There were many students. Also, 係啦，你見到呢度咧用 also， 亦都再提啦 full stop 之後咧好多時都係用 also 嘅。此外 ，the teachers were there to support them， 啲老師咧支持佢喎。Students in 1E were very competitive， 佢哋咧個競爭性好強。They tried their best， 做到最好。咁呢度咧係應該用 and 啦，因為佢哋好具競爭性，同埋咧做到最好。咁大家都係正面嘅同類嘅。I knew that I had to keep thinking positively。我知我要正面咁樣思考。I would lose the match， 否則咧我就會輸呢一場噶啦。嗱，呢個係嘅特別啲㗎。我話呢度咧唔係解或者啊，呢度係解否則，係啦，我要好正面咁樣思考，否則咧我就會輸㗎啦。Luckily, our class won. 好彩我班贏咗。Our class teachers said that we were the best, so all of us were very happy. 我班主任話咧，我哋係最好嘅，所以咧我哋全班都好開心。I have learned that victory is the reason to success, but sportsmanship is the most important. 體育精神咧係最重要嘅。 We also learns the importance of team spirit. Team spirit 係乜嘢啊？團隊精神。我哋亦都學習咗團隊精神嘅重要性。We also learned the importance of team spirit. See you next time. 好，咁你見到咧connectives and but also all 其實完全都係牽涉閱讀理解啦。咁所以其實咧識字都好緊要嘅。咁所以咧 Miss Lai 成日都建議咧成句讀出嚟，讀多2次，咁可能咧你就會即係有啲感覺咧答案係乜嘢啦。好，咁啊繼續加油！而家咧將個測驗咧交翻俾老師，科長麻煩咧點數，唔該晒，拜。